In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can view and follow other blogs using Blogger, whether you're browsing from your dashboard or discovering new reads. Navigating through Blogger to keep up with your favorite blogs might seem tricky at first, since Blogger doesn't have a universal search feature, but fear not. Blogger offers a straightforward tool that allows you to manage the blogs you follow efficiently right from your dashboard by making use of the reading list. I'll walk you through how to utilize this feature so you can stay connected with all the blogs that spark your interest. First, let's explore the reading list feature accessible from your Blogger dashboard. To begin, make sure you're signed in to blogger.com. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the reading list section. This section is designed to be incredibly useful as it aggregates the latest posts from all the blogs you're already following into one convenient feed. This means you can easily catch up on the latest content without having to visit each blog individually. Think of it as your personalized blog newsfeed. Now, if you'd like to expand the list of blogs you follow, Blogger makes this process simple. Within the reading list area, you'll notice a pencil icon or an option labeled Manage Reading List. Click this option to open the management view. Here, you'll see an Add button. Select it, and then you can enter the URL of any blog you wish to follow. Blogger also gives you a choice in terms of privacy. You can choose to follow the blog publicly with your profile visible to the blog owner and other followers, or anonymously, which keeps your following status private. It's a neat option for those who prefer a little more privacy. As your interests change and evolve, there may be times when you want to edit or remove blogs from your reading list. To do this, simply go back to the reading list management view. From here, you'll be presented with the option to remove any blogs you no longer wish to follow. Sometimes a blog might no longer serve your interests, and clearing it out can keep your feed relevant and engaging. Additionally, if you ever want to change how you follow a particular blog between public and anonymous, you can seamlessly switch the follow status as well. By taking advantage of the reading list feature in Blogger, you can effortlessly keep up with all the latest updates from the blogs you love, manage your interests with ease, and personalize your browsing experience. So go ahead, explore and curate the perfect list of blogs to follow using Blogger's reading list. Enjoy discovering new content and staying in the loop with your favorite reads.